Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Wells Fargo debit card at ATM, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw cash using your Wells Fargo debit card at an ATM, follow these steps. Find a Wells Fargo ATM location near you. Approach the ATM and make sure you are at a safe distance from others. Insert your Wells Fargo debit card into the ATM. Wait for the machine to recognize your card. Select your preferred language if prompted. Enter your personal identification number, or PIN, using the keypad. Press the Enter or OK button after entering your PIN. Choose the option for withdrawal from the menu. Select the type of account you want to withdraw from, typically checking or savings. Enter the amount of cash you wish to withdraw. Review your transaction details to ensure they are correct. Press the Confirm or OK button to proceed with the transaction. Wait for the ATM to process your request. Once the transaction is approved, the ATM will dispense your cash. Take your cash from the dispensing slot carefully. Remove your debit card from the ATM when prompted. Check for a receipt option if you would like a record of the transaction. Take your receipt if you chose that option. Ensure you are in a safe and secure area before leaving the ATM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.